So hello, my name is Jan Paul C. Aquino and I'm doing a tutorial on how to set up peer-to-peer network in Windows 11. But before that, let's define the peer-to-peer connection and when and why peer-to-peer connection are used. Peer-to-peer connection is a decentralized network where computers or peer connects to each other and shares resources directly without a central server. So when to use peer-to-peer connection? Use peer-to-peer connections when you need to quickly shares large file to many users, or if you want to deliver a message to many users quickly. So why use peer-to-peer connection? So we use peer-to-peer connection to make a real-time communication to many users. So now we already know the peer-to-peer connection and when and why to use it. So let's go with the demo. So I am using Vivo, which is Windows 11, and the other one is the HP laptop, which is Windows 11 also. So I am using Asus Vivo for demonstration. So first, we'll go to the settings of the internet, then switch to private network, and once we done it, or and go to terminal, open the terminal, and we will ping the IP address of this HP laptop. So let's ping the HP, which is 192.160. 132. So it is connected in the same network. Then once we ping the IP address, so let's open all the file sharing, go to control panel, then sharing settings, then all this on this network discovery, file sharing, and then this also, and then this. So it is optional to on this protected sharing. So in this case I will off, so it will smooth the file sharing. So once we on all of these settings in advanced sharing settings, so let's get the uh, files of the HP laptop to Asus. So but before that, so let's go to the folder and type the IP address of this laptop. So 192.168.254.132. So that's it. We get the file of the HP laptop in our HP notebook, in our Asus. So and that's all. So thank